How to check Spotify hours listened. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Spotify now allows you to view the hours listened by the Spotify recap feature. So if you don't have the Spotify recap feature on your device yet, then open App Store on your device and tap on the search bar there and search for Spotify and make sure the Spotify application is updated to its latest version in order to be able to use all the features that Spotify has to offer. Now go ahead and open the Spotify application on your device and you will see the option for Wrapped on top of your screen. So tap on the Wrapped option you see there and then tap on the Let's Go option you see there. Further, scroll through and navigate to the tab that says Minutes Listened and tap on it. And with this, Spotify will give you the calculation of the minutes that you have listened Spotify Music for the time that you have connected or added the subscription to Spotify. As you can see here, I have listened for 10,300 minutes. So you can then go ahead and convert the minutes to the hours, and with this you will be able to view the hours that you have listened Spotify. So this is how you can check Spotify hours listened. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.